Slide the roller door into the sliding and running rails. Fasten the doorstop to the sliding rail with a number 10 7/8 wafer screw. Then grab your door handle and fasten them to the mount with two number 10 7/8 wafer screws, followed by the plugs for the door handle. Fit the door tongue over the handle using the door tongue screw. A handy hint: go inside the shed and close the door. Rotate the handle and adjust the tongue to measure the right distance. Then, using the door tongue as a guide, fasten the door latch to the door jamb. Open the door and finish attaching the door latch. Take the door shroud and fasten it to the back face of the running rail with two number 10 7/8 wafer screws. Make sure you close the door to test the handle locks properly. Grab the left and right barge caps and place over the roof sheets. Then, fasten two number 10 1-inch washer screws through the top barge cap into the crest of the roof sheets. Then, find the barge support under the capping and fasten the number 10 5/8 washer screws along the barge cap and into the support beam. You now have a completed Stratco Handi Mate shed.